Welcome to the 41st session of the first BSc Physics pertaining to the Coimbatore University syllabus. I am Muhammad Ajmal from the Department of Physics. Today I am going to discuss the chapter rotational motion, where the moment of inertia of different shapes are studied. Moment of inertia was discussed in the previous sessions. It is defined as the product of mass of the body and the square of its distance from the axis of rotation. Its unit is kg meter square. And we have to discuss the moment of inertia of different shapes of bodies of different shapes. First one, the moment of inertia of rectangular plate. The moment of inertia is discussed about two axes. First, about an axis passing through the center of gravity and perpendicular to its plane, and then moment of inertia is studied about an axis at one of its sides. The expression for the moment of inertia about an axis passing through the center of gravity and perpendicular to its plane is given by the formula m divided by 12 into L square plus B square. Whereas moment of inertia about an axis at one of its sides is given by I equals mb square divided by 3, where m is the mass of the body, L is the length of the rectangular body, B is the breadth of the body. Third one, the moment of inertia about its axis passing through the midpoint of one side, that is breadth, and perpendicular to its plane is given by the formula I equals m into L square over 3 plus B square over 12. And the fourth moment of inertia about an axis passing through the midpoint of one side, that is length, and perpendicular to its plane is given by the formula I equals m into L square over 12 plus B square divided by 3. Now the moment of inertia of circular disc is studied at different axes. First one, the moment of inertia about an axis passing through its center and perpendicular to its plane is given by the formula I equals mr square over 2. Second one, the moment of inertia about a tangent parallel to one diameter, I equals 5 mr square divided by 4. C. Moment of inertia of circular disc about an axis passing through the diameter is given by the formula I equals mr square over 4, where m is mass of the body, r is radius of the circular plate. Moment of inertia of a solid cylinder at different axes. First one, the moment of inertia about an axis through its center and perpendicular to its length as shown in the diagram. To derive an expression for the moment of inertia for this, first consider the cylinder having mass m, radius r, length L, and the z axis which passes through the central axis. Then the mass of the disk is m by L into dx, where m is mass of the cylinder, dx is the thickness of a cross section. According to the parallel axis theorem, mr square divided by 4L into dx plus m by L into dx, that gives, substituting the values, we will get 2m over L into integral of 0 to half r square by 4 into dx plus 0 to half x square dx. That is, first the moment of inertia about a cross section is calculated and it is integrated over the entire surface. On simplification, we will get I equals m into r square over 4 plus L square divided by 12. Now the moment of inertia about its own axis of symmetry is I equals mr square over 2. So in this session we have derived the moment of inertia of different bodies about different axes. We will continue in the next session. Till then, thank you.